Hey everyone, Troy here at Dirt Church Industries. Today I want to show you a couple products I've been working on for a very long time. We're taking this battery-powered Milwaukee Portaband, part number 2829-20. Simply put, we're making mounts with Milwaukee Packouts that'll catch this bandsaw to that box. We'll walk you through installation and a couple of key features. So the 3D printed mount is locating off this feature, the hanging belt hook attachment. There's well over 100 different revisions to get this thing to fit, snug, and square in both directions, both forward to back and side to side. The bottom 3D printed mount will sit right up there like so. It's attached to the aluminum rail of this size box as well as all the other boxes using 6 provided stainless steel set screws. Now you cannot operate this trigger unless this detent is pushed into place. So for that, we have this. This is an extruded aluminum piece. It simply slides into the air vent. You'll then tighten up the thumb screw. All right, now we will attach the provided Velcro strap. The other mount that we've made is for this little tiny guy, Milwaukee part number 2429-20. The way we're locating this feature is on this aluminum attachment or spacer bracket, whatever you want to call it. There's 2 casting marks. We're drilling and tapping those marks to attach these 2 bolts. Now in the kit, we provide this guy, Velcro strap, the tap, bolts, as well as a drill bit. This installed very similarly, and clip it on, clip it into place. All right, for demonstration purposes, I'm going to be cutting this piece of 3/16 mild steel. First thing we're going to do is slide out the foot. Now using the Dirt Church Industries folding bamboo table. This table is compatible, of course, with the Milwaukee Packouts, the flex tools, as well as the Tough Belt Stack Tech boxes. We offer it in bamboo, as well as the formed steel table over there on that side. Let's say I want to cut this thing to 45 degrees. I'll arbitrarily put one here, flip it over, I don't know, cut one here. Or use the side of the table as a straight edge. Lock the Velcro strap in the cutting position. .45 degrees. Now I will, again, not change anything, turn it on and just rip through this to get an idea how fast you can cut, how robust it is. Well, 3 3/4 inch wide piece of 3/16 mild steel. You saw I almost ran out of cut depth or throat depth on the saw, but that's inherent with anything. That's nothing that has to do with my mount. Demonstrations, I'll rip a little one here for a second. Little guy doesn't have quite the power and the it's much higher tooth count than this guy, hence it cuts a lot slower. Again, we designed this thing to be installed, uninstalled, out of the box, very simple. You're gonna push up here, pull up here. Anybody with a little guy, We have everything in our website in stock. If you guys have any questions, be sure to reach out to us, dirtchurchindustries.com. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Thank you much. Bye-bye.